Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock period on Ultrahuman ring. So first thing what you are going to do is open up the app. Then when you see this home screen, scroll down a little bit all the way to the power plugs. Click on power plugs. And now what you're going to do, also scroll down to women's health. So here you have it, cycle and ovulation. So click on that one. Here you can read some description how this thing works, uh, and what it's the data talking about, the results. It's free, so you will just click here on button get. And yeah, this power plug is exclusively available just for female users. So yeah, it will work if you are a female. So I hope this video helped you out how to lock period. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.